Many congratulations to you for the nominations.
Thank you.
कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं आप? कितनी उत्सुकता और कितनी उम्मीदें हैं आपको?
I think it's always nice to be nominated, and especially the fact that this year there have been some amazing female performances, be it Vidya, be it Sridevi, or even Priyanka. So I'm just really honoured that I've been nominated in the same category as all these people. And whoever wins, I think they really deserve it because it's been a great year for all the girls. I think.
आपने परफॉर्म नहीं किया? अभी हमने देखा प्रियंका ऊपर घूम रही थी शायद, मतलब पता नहीं शायद ऊपर चढ़ी हुई थी. आपने
I've just come, I've just walked in, so I haven't seen any performances. I'm going to run inside now and watch some.
Ranveer told me that his favorite performances this year were yours and Priyanka's, and he feels that the two of you should win. So is Barfi your favorite performance as well?
Absolutely, Barfi is definitely my favorite, and to me it means a lot that he feels that way because according to me, from the newer generation, he is probably the finest actors we have. And if you ask me, in the males, in the guys who should win, I definitely think he's going to win, and I'm pretty sure he's going to win.
आपका गाना
दीपिका, इससे पहले भी आपको कई अवार्ड मिल चुके हैं, तो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है अवार्ड्स आपके लिए?
See, I'll tell you something. When you're performing in front of the camera, you're not thinking about those awards. But at the same time, I think when it is the award season and when you're nominated, and if you do win, it is definitely a really nice feeling. At the end of the day, you want that appreciation for the hard work that you've put in. So.
And Race 2 is going to come out, and all your looks and your songs have been appreciated. How are you feeling right now?
Great. That's my next release after Cocktail, and I'm glad that Saif and I are doing so many films together. So looking forward to it.
It's perhaps your first sequel, your first sequel in Bollywood. But there are a lot of sequels that are coming out this year. So do you think Bollywood got a lot of ideas perhaps?
No, I wouldn't say that. I mean, I think Race has a sequel, and rightly so. The first one did really well, and this makes sense that in the way that the story goes forward. I just hope people enjoy the film as much as they enjoyed the first Race.
कॉकटेल के लिए जो गाना था वो शायद इस साल का बहुत ही पॉपुलर गाना रहा है. खुश हैं
It's winning all the awards, I think.
तो काफी मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस आता है आपको इस चीज़ से कि
जी बिल्कुल. In fact, I just got to know that Anaita has won the award for best costumes, and I think she really deserves it. I think the look that she created for all of us in Cocktail, I think she's done a phenomenal job, and she truly deserves it. I think Pritam's also going to win some awards. He did win at the earlier award that we had last week, and yes, I think Tumiho Bandhu definitely deserves a lot.
दीपिका, एक सवाल है आपसे. जिस तरह LOC पे तनाव बढ़ रहा है, उस रीजन के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
Reason?
You know ना कि they headed the 2 Indian soldiers. तो
I'm aware, but I think it's very unfair, and this is not the right platform for me to be talking about something as serious as that.
दीपिका, आप काफी स्टंट्स वगैरह करती हैं. आप भी ऐसा करती हैं क्या अगर मौका मिलता तो?
I don't know what she did. I've just come, but I think I'm going to watch the telecast and see what she did. She's a wonderful performer on stage, and I think I'm sure she's done a wonderful job.
दीपिका, हाँ कई बार आपको डिम्पी बुलाया जाता है कई बार, लेकिन मैं लेटली सुना कि
You call me Dippy.
और अच्छा, लेकिन आजकल लोग दीपू भी बुलाने लगे हैं आपको, तो ये कौन है जो दीपू बुलाता है आपको?
My fans, I think. I don't know.
तो are you happy with these names और ये सारे इस तरह के नामों से आप खुश रहती हैं?
As long as they're calling me whatever they want with love and affection, I don't mind.
दीपिका, इस तरह बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं जो बेहतरीन हैं, लेकिन आपकी पसंद पूछी जाए तो कौन सी फिल्म है जिसे बेस्ट फिल्म का अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए?
I think Barfi and English, according to me.
Thank you, Deepika, and all the best to you.
Thank you so much.